Hello students, today I'm going to discuss a new chapter from your second book, that is the old clock shop. In this lesson I will be giving you the summary of this lesson in brief, followed by the introduction. The first of all, introduction means we will introduce you all with the lesson what is given, what kind of message has been given in this story, in this lesson. This lesson expresses how honest and correct ways can win over any situation. With these ways, even robbers can be tackled rightly. The way Mr. Ray not only protected himself but showed the right path to the robbers as well. It conveys the message of peace and good for all. So now it's time to discuss the summary. I hope you might have understood the introduction properly. It was Christmas Eve and was closing time for shops, and old clock shop owner Ray was still working on a clock. Two men, one in his 20s, he was around 20-year-old, and one in his 50s, he was around 50-year-old, entered Ray's shop. Ray gave them a notepad and a pencil, telling them that he was deaf and dumb through his sign language. That means he passed on a notepad and pencil as he was unable to speak up and also unable to listen anything. That's why he was getting the responses from the customers in writing. For that, he passed on a notepad and a pencil before the customers. Ray noticed that the man had a gun in his pocket. He thought that he had come to his shop to rob him. Understanding their intense need of money, Ray told the old man, that he exchanged good sum of money with people against their watch or wall clock. He did this for goodwill and not in want of earning interest or security against the things. That means the shopkeeper was a kind of very generous person. He was doing all these things not for his personal gain but for the sake of humanity. The old man showed his old wristwatch to Ray, and Ray in return offered him a $50 note. How many it is? $50 note. Dollar, the currency of USA. Both of them knew in their hearts that the watch was not of that high a price, but this made the man happy as he got money without hurting Ray, and Ray also saved from being hurt. Before leaving, the old man wrote to Ray that he would be back soon to get his watch. Means after getting the money from the shopkeeper, the old man promised to be back very soon to retake his watch after paying the money that he was given by the shopkeeper. The story concluded peacefully, giving a sweet and simple message of peace on earth and goodwill towards all. So this was all the message that passed on ultimately due to the activities of the shopkeeper. So we all should try to follow the same. We should also always be ready for the person, those who are in need. This is all in today's summary. We will discuss the question and answer in some other video. Thank you.